Why did I get here so early? I could be sleeping right now. I'm so tired. What was I supposed to do with this anyway? I think I saw the teacher's pet go in a little while ago. I can't stand her sometimes. She's probably sleeping with the teacher.
Hey.
Hey.
Do we have homework in this class?
Oh crap, we have to write that paper about the object that we found.
You forgot something. Perfect.
Teacher's pet forgot something. Ha ha. I have such a good memory. I'm so smart. This should be easy.
Le désir, le plaisir, souvenir, attendri, cabaret, en soirée, rendez-vous en janvier. Pour la vie, pour un jour.
What can I write about a button? I should have found something else. Button, button, button. Benjamin Button. Brad Pitt is so hot. Oh my god. Sarah? Focus. Of course she's still writing. She's writing about. I wish I was done with this already. What the? Hey. Where did this come from? Did she? No. The magical button? I wished for it. No. I wish for stuff all the time and nothing ever happens. The magical button? Couldn't be. No possible way. Only one way to find out. I wish I could read Courtney's thoughts. Oh my gosh, it worked! Wow, what in the world is she writing about? What a teeny bopper. What? Right. What? I wonder what else could I do with this? How many wishes I get? Are they really wishes, or is it just based off wishes? Who had it before me? Where did this come from? Who had it before me? Why was it on the ground? Can it do money? Clothes? Cars? Cars? Fame? Cars? Power? Can I change myself with this? Can I control people with it? So I freak you out, Courtney? You haven't seen anything yet. Control.
Power. Control.
I wish.
I hope to read some amazing stories while everyone takes their midterm exams today.
Money. Clothes. Fame. Cars. I don't think so. Mr. Brady?
Yes?